MLA ke Kongres Baroni Wiling do hagesngi baar lo ong bak parti kan sa khot shen ni gijing lang ban pendep ye kam baya day bat ke election MDC balapan paru ek jing Sngewskhem bak parti kan jabon teliki sed hak election MDC habakran sigilat pathai go bol spangki kam ke parti kan dek election MDC ban salong baling do lo ong ba hak election MDC baladep nakar khandai ngut ke gotong Kongres kala yo spong ngut ke MDC balade gijing yo nambar ke bahe henry klem la thau ki isi namar ki we ki parti kim tre ban kershani ke Kongres parlementaru ke Kongres kan sa job bon ke MDC habaya thu ba ka election MDC ke dei ke ba kongsan ma gejla baling do lo ong ba dei ban ai burom ru ke Kongres ke bala ai ke jelai ke kernet ke ba henriu ba ki district council ke ba dai ke hok ki try retry muluk jong ke jela ula ong babona kinoy lambarim kila kwa baban paying no hinrei na kaliang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kamda pelai jimut than ban piang sing bhai bon ki bakwa phai den biang ubaleng do la ong ru baw no bakwa yeso biang bar ka Congress u haban stang biang kum u primary member ne stang biang number stang kum khot ka party hakawai pat kaliang ubaleng do ulai thu bawla rai ban pan ticket ng ka party pani khun ka election MDC na po kamalki laim kra constituency.
See, we are always prepared. We're preparing. So soon we'll be having a meeting to complete the formality because we have certain procedures. Okay, where if because the MDC election is within the state's domain. So if that is declared, then we will have the election committee, then we will invite application, and then the blocks, will scrutinize who are the best candidates, the most suitable candidates for the MDC election.
How do you see this time around? Because we have new entrants like the VPP also. It was going a little tough.
You see, I think last time also you must have realized that out of 29, because one is nominated, out of 29 candidates, Congress got the largest number. We got 10 MDCs, of course, some of them left. But then out of 29, we got the single largest. Of course, we couldn't form the EC because the other parties were not willing to work with us. I think this will be the same trend now also because, even the Deputy Chief Minister himself has said in one of the functions in the city, he said that, MDC election, or rather this council is so crucial to the state of Meghalaya. So I think people will judge. They will not simply vote anyone or everyone to this council election because you can see now the importance. Thanks to people who were instrumental, especially late Reverend J.J.M. Consoy, who had the vision, the foresight. 75 years back, 76 years back, we have such a law that has protected us, our land, our customary laws and usages, our language, our way of administration, the traditional way. So we are very fortunate. So, and this also I must credit the Congress leaders, then the founding fathers, you can say, that have given us this, 6th schedule, which now almost practically all the the minority communities now are demanding for a 6th schedule like law, be it Ladakh, be it in Tamil Nadu, be it in so many states where you have the tribal population. They've demanded. So we are very fortunate that we have leaders like late Reverend J.J.M. Roy, whom we owe so much for being instrumental in giving us this law, which has if we are what we are now, still our land are not alienated, our language, our culture, our way of traditional way of administration is because of the 6th schedule.
Many of the Congress members, former Congress members, wants to get back to the Congress. How true is it, and how many are there, you think?
You see, a lot of people want to come back to the Congress, but then we simply cannot accept anyone and everyone. We have to look at all angles because we have certain procedures, where if somebody wants to join the Congress, then if they have resigned, then we'll have first to become primary members first. Then after they join us primary members, then automatically they become congressmen. So that is the procedure.